High material waste, low winding efficiency, and cumbersome wiring have long been persistent pain points of traditional processes thought to solve these problems. Supu launches the inline straight strip wound stator winding machine that, in the traditional integral winding process, ring-shaped stamping blanks lead to a scrap rate of nearly 50%. The narrow inner winding space results in slow single-wire operation and heavy labor intensity.As for the split assembly process. Although single-truth winding features flexibility, it suffers from tedious subsequent assembly and wiring, as well as high magnetic loss caused by multiple gaps. Supu's innovative inline process delivers outstanding advantages. Adopting long straight strip blanking, it boosts material utilization to over 90% with almost no waste, cutting material costs by more than 35%. Fully open slot design enables three-phase synchronous parallel winding, raising winding efficiency by over 3 times. Integrated winding forming reduces wiring workload by 2/3 and simplifies subsequent processes greatly. Only a single joint is reserved after rolling, ensuring smooth and continuous magnetic circuits. Its performance is close to integral winding and far superior to split structure solutions with lower costs, higher efficiency, and better performance. Supu inline stator winding machine helps motor manufacturers achieve cost reduction and efficiency improvements simultaneously. Suzhou Supu focuses on continuous innovation in winding technology, empowering your motor stator winding with stronger market competitiveness.